Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest device from Nokia in India, the Nokia 7.1. So Nokia 7.1 is a slightly upgraded variant of the Nokia 6.1 Plus announced a few months back. So Nokia 7.1 Plus again comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset, and this has the Zeiss optics in the dual camera setup, and it also has HDR display. It's a pure view display, and this is the Nokia 7.1 Plus, which is priced 19,999, and in India this will be available starting December first week. So this is the box packing of the Nokia 7.1, and let's get started. So the box packing looks quite similar to other devices launched in India by Nokia this year. So it again is under Android 1 platform, and let's go to the back section. You can see that the 5.8 inches 19:9 aspect ratio, full HD plus resolution display, pure display, HDR video with high contrast and vibrant colors. That's one of the specialty, and this is one area where this device differs from the 6.1 Plus, and it also has 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera with Zeiss optics. Again, that's another difference. It has 8 megapixel wide angle front facing camera, and advanced AI depth based imaging is also included. Along with that, it also comes with the regular features like dual sight mode and Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset, and this also has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage offered. So that's the device. Let's get started with unboxing. So let's open the box package. So there you go. So taking this out, you can see the Nokia 7.1 on the top. So this is the device. Let's just take this out from the. So there you go. That's the Nokia 7.1. Looks really nice in terms of the build quality. You can see that this is superior build quality when compared to the 6.1 Plus. So this is one of the important aspects. You can also see that Zeiss optics is mentioned here. It's a 12 and 5 megapixel dual rear camera. Fingerprint scanner is included. The power and volume keys are on the right side. The left side houses the SIM tray. The bottom panel has the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit and the microphone. The top panel has the 3.5mm audio jack, and you can see that there is a brushed finish on the edges of the device, which gives it a great feel altogether. So that's one of the important highlights of the device. So it looks really good in terms of the build quality, fit and finish. And we have the notch display. It's 5.84 inches screen size. So we'll come back to the device in a while. We'll just boot the device. In the meantime, let's see what else comes inside. So you can see a SIM ejector pin, then the regular Nokia warranty and information guide, product information guide. Then you get the chargers in this. So let's see the charger. You can see the standard earphone is also included, a pretty basic earphone. And then you get the standard USB Type-C port, data syncing and charging. Finally, we'll also see the adapter. So let's see the voltage rating. So it comes with 5 volt 3 ampere, then 9 volt 2 ampere, and 12 volt 1.5 ampere. That's 18 watt fast charger is included with the box package. That's quite good. So there is fast charging supported for the 3000 mAh capacity battery. Now let's go and see the device and the software. So that's the Nokia 7.1 with the 5.84 inches full HD plus resolution display, and it's the pure view or HDR display. And let's go to the software. It comes with Android Oreo out of the box. This is upgradable to Android Pie, which will come pretty soon, and this is under the Android 1 platform. So you can see here this is the 8.1 Oreo which is available on this device. So you can also see a couple of gestures included. Otherwise it's stock Android, and you can see no other apps are included other than the stock and Google apps. So that's something pretty good on this device. So that's the software aspect. You can also see the notification and quick toggles also similar to any other stock Android. Now moving on to the camera. This is one area where there is a major upgrade. It has a 12 and 5 megapixel camera. It's not just about the megapixels. It's about the optics. It's Zeiss optics which is available on the camera, and the camera interface is largely unchanged. You can see the live bokeh mode, pro mode, photo, video and slow motion. This has been the mode ever since Nokia rolled out an update. So you can see that live bokeh, pro mode, slow motion is also included, and other options are also included. You can see the time lapse is also there. So on the top you get the beauty and other options included along with the flash option. So that's the camera UI. It's a pretty good UI, and here are some samples we are taken with the Nokia 7.1. We'll also be comparing with this device with other smartphones in this price segment, and we'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. So here are some samples we are taken after unboxing the device. Now the phone also comes with a 3000 mAh capacity battery, which should be quite good enough for a day of usage, because we had the Nokia 6.1 Plus getting almost a day of battery life and a screen on time of around 4 to 5 hours, which should be quite decent for a day of usage, if not a stellar performer, but it should give you decent performance altogether. So that was unboxing, hands-on, and some camera samples of the new Nokia 7.1, which is priced 1999 in India, and this should be available offline as well as online starting first week of December. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nimal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.